Today is the last day. Some fun at the beach. Fun at the beach and excitement. More fun at the beach. On the way to the ferry. To the ferry. Should be good. Should be alright. I don't know. Nah. Nope. The ferry is... Nope. We have to get the next one. Okay, maybe there's a little chance left. Okay, we're on the ferry now. On the ferry. That's good. Wait. Okay, we're on the ferry. On the ferry, right. Facing backwards, isn't it? Face backwards, not it? Reversed. And off we go. Just in time. We made it just in time, pretty much. We'll meet the others at the other side. Nancy and Michelle on the other side. As they're taking the boat. They're taking the boat and we are also taking the boat. Doing all the buses, and I'm doing all the buses as well. The 510, the 509. The 509, 10 and 8. And the 510, 9 and 8. And the other buses. Okay, let's have a look at this thing here. Yeah. Okay, we are going to go for a swim now. Got my floats are blown up. It's good. Do some inflatable fun. Alright. Got the donut there. Oh yeah. Yeah, got my shorts on. Ah, this should be good. This should be good. We are in. Okay, let's just get into a wide shot.
What's your favourite floating?
My favourite inflatable would be the tube or boats. Inflatable boat. That would be, yeah. And up he's gone in for a dive. Going for a dive. Going for a dive. This one much better? Any better? The tube, the tubes. To find mine.
Tell me when a wave's coming.
Yeah, it's sandy at the bottom and rocky on the other side here.
Oh, the big one.
Yeah. Just
Big little waves here.
yeah, bit of waves coming. One's rocky. Yeah, it's good. I'll do it. One's rocky.
You can make it, Maisie. Come on.
Maisie's
she's
at it.
swimming.
She's coming. She's doing it. Does she need the pink donut or something?
Do you need a donut or anything?
Yeah,
Do
others.
you need another ring? There's another ring in
There's spares.
There's spares there. Oh, which is swimming for it.
Cleaned me jellyfish.
Oh, the jellyfish.
Yeah, because that was a bit sandy.
That's
So,
good.
okay. That was neat.
Oh yeah, I can still touch it.
Yeah.
I don't think
I have to blow it up again.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit flat.
That's alright, that's alright. Then we can go like this.
Yeah, that's good.
We can ring round together.
Like the last overs, so they do, don't they? It's like out there,
you
the
can
last
touch,
overs.
yeah. It's like the floor around England.
But goes,
Go back a little, Mama.
Huh?
Go back a
I have a good range of inflatables, my inflatable lovers and fans. So yeah, if you like these, then give them a thumbs up. I've just seen a boat coming over. I've just seen a little dinghy, nice dinghy coming over earlier on. So it was cool, it was cool. Nice inflatable dinghy right in front of me. There we go. You can clearly see it. You can clearly see the inflatable dinghy, the best way one there. I've got mine I've got mine, but it's at home.
Just
Get in, yeah, just get in.
Put your
Yeah,
hand
you
in this
get it.
time. Oh, there you go. Hold your foot.
Drag me out to sea.
Drag you out. She wants to go dragged out to sea.
Drag me
Drag you out.
So I've been using my donut float so far. It's good. It's good. A nice inflatable donut. That's good. There's my one. That's it. Let's just move out of the way because kitties are big. Unattended float. So that's good. Unattended float. So anyway, that's what it's like. That's what it's like. Okay, so the block here. There's stones at the bottom and sand. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad in this vlog, in this video. 40 minutes left to go. So hopefully more inflatable stuff and fun stuff. And maybe something. I was blowing it up earlier on because it was deflating a little bit. Yeah, it's slightly deflating a little bit. So what's that deflating a bit? Okay, yeah, do a deflation video. Good fun. That's what I was doing. Underneath the water. I know Daniela would absolutely love this. Daniela would absolutely love this. Oh, okay. Okay, going fishing. They're going fishing. Oh my, he's going fishing. Okay, Michelle has got the boat, I think. It was the SUP, I don't know. Let's have a look at it. Okay. On your boat, on the SUP, I think, the boat, I think.
Yeah, locking up. SUP.
SUP, I think they're
Yeah,
called,
that's
the
it.
paddle boat, the paddle balls, yeah, that we saw before, didn't we?
Yeah.
Last year, 9-person. 9-person boat.
I'm gonna drag you out.
I've got my jellyfish with me.
This is the This is the
Let's have a good look. I got my dolphin as well, my ride-on dolphin. I do like that. That's good fun. That's good fun. I mean, I do like my other inflatables as well. That's good. That's good. So, yeah. Gonna try out my dolphin. Take this one out. I'm gonna take my dolphin for a dip this time. For a change. For a good change. Hello, yes. Hello. Yes, I've got my jellyfish as well. Got my jellyfish float as well. If you've seen it before, check it out. I mean, hopefully I'll do the vlog. Dolphin. That's good. Okay. What are you doing? Okay. I'm on my dolphin. On my dolphin. I'm good. On my dolphin. Lovely. Lovely. POV. That's POV fuel. That's POV fuel.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. On my dolphin.
You want to have some lunch?
Yeah.
Live or not quite yet?
Yeah, soon.
In a
Soon.
minute, yeah?
In a bit, in a bit.
I've been doing the water a bit for a minute.
I'll see if I can do a good deflation, if you like. One of these. There you go, can you see the bubbles? There we go. Okay, I'll see what we can do. Not too bad, not too bad. My dolphin, nice and stable for me. Nice and stable for me. Although we've seen it a couple of times with Maisie, she's fallen off a couple of times. It's good fun. I'm hoping to do more. I'm hoping to do more deflation videos in the meantime. So yeah, blowing up the jellyfish. Oh, yeah. Pump is so much quicker and faster. So much quicker and faster, that pump. Look at that. The jellyfish, once again. That's my inflatable jellyfish. A beauty. A beauty. Okay, let's have a little practice, shall we? Let's find the little thing. The thing is right here. And it is right where the... right there. It is where the thingy is. So it's over here. Over here. So nice little practice there. Okay, so we do like that. Okay, a little practice here. Get ready for deflation. Let's do some deflation fun. Paddleboard is not mine. No, not mine. Yeah, if you'd like to. There are some nice, sweet, lovely inflatable goers out there. Nice, sweet, lovely inflatable goers out there. We like inflatables as much as I do. That's cool, that's cool. Okay, let's get some good inflatable time. Some fun time. Missy's having a little growl up.
Yeah, it must be a dog.
Another little there.
Sit up on the thingy, sit up on the thing. He likes to.
Okay, we
Do it
go.
underneath the water.
Yeah,
Yeah, so push it down a little bit. Is it coming?
yeah, there we go.
Oh, there, look, then he likes the bubbles.
And ride it. Then you can ride it then.
Hello, Mummy.
Hello.
If I do that, and then you can.
Yeah, there you go, yeah. Yeah, good, good. Very good. Take a ride on it if you like. I'll do
If you
it.
film underwater, film
Want to do mine? Yeah, take a ride on it. That was a nice deflation there. Nice deflation. Hope to do mine. I'm running out of charge on my GoPro here, so yeah. So I'm doing the best I can. Do the best I can here. But it's good about this GoPros. Do the best I can. Okay, this is good fun. I'm enjoying this. Really good fun.
Let's go.
Good fun.